I see from his teeth that he's more than 12 or 13 years old. More than 12 or 13 years old. At first, I thought that maybe 10, little bit more than 10, but he's more than 12 or 13 years old. Please give him a name. Give him a name. It's the new dog, the new boy. A friend of mine found him in the road in a very bad condition. He's very sick. He's on a therapy now. He's more than 12 or 13 years old. Δώστε του ένα όνομα παρακαλώ. Το βρήκε φίλος στο δρόμο. Είναι άρρωστο, έχει λεϊσμανίαση. Στην αρχή νόμιζα ότι είναι 10 χρονών περίπου, αλλά είναι πάνω από 12 ή 13 χρονών. Έχει ζωνεθέραπη now. Ας ελπίσουμε ότι θα νιώσει καλύτερα. Αρχίσαμε θεραπεία. Δώστε του ένα όνομα παρακαλώ. Please give him a name to our new old guy. Poor guy, poor guy. He's lucky that somebody found him that day in the road. And he ended up here in the soft blankets. Yeah, and he has the therapy that he needs. So please give him a name. Δώστε του ένα όνομα.